In this video, we construct a quadrilateral in which measurement of four sides and a diagonal are given. In particular, we construct quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 4.8 centimeter, BC equal to 3.6 centimeter, CD equal to 4.2 centimeter, DA equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, we got the measurement of four sides. Further, we got the measurement of diagonal as well. And diagonal BD equal to 6 centimeter. Further, we construct a triangle DAG equal in area to the quadrilateral ABCD. We take a ruler and draw a line segment that measure 4.8 centimeter, 0 to 4.8. Label one of the endpoint of line segment as A and the other as B, and we obtain a line segment AB that measure 4.8 centimeter. Next, we take a ruler and a compass. We adjust the radius of compass to measure 3 centimeter. Locate the center of compass to the point A and draw a circular arc of radius 3 centimeter. Remember, we want to draw side DA that measure 3 centimeter. Next, we adjust the radius of compass to measure 6 centimeter and then locate the center of compass to the point B and draw a circular arc of radius 6 centimeter that intersect the first circular arc. Label the intersection point of two circular arcs as the point D and join the point A to the point D with a straight line, and also join point B with the point D again with a straight line, and we obtain a triangle ABD with side AB measuring 4.8 centimeter, side AD measuring 3 centimeter and side BD measuring 6 centimeter. Next, we take a ruler and a compass. Adjust the radius of compass to measure 3.6 centimeter. Locate the center of compass to the point B and draw a circular arc of radius 3.6 centimeter. Adjust the radius of compass to measure 4.2 centimeter. Locate the center of compass to the point D and draw a circular arc of radius 4.2 centimeter. Label the intersection point of the two circular arcs as the point C and then join BC with a straight line and also DC with a straight line, and thus we obtain a quadrilateral ABCD with four sides measuring 4.8 centimeter, 3.6 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and diagonal BD measuring 6 centimeter. Next step, we want to draw a triangle ADG such that area of triangle ADG equal to area of quadrilateral ABCD. We start by extending the line segment AB. We want to shift the point C to the point G in such a way that area of triangle DCB equal to area of triangle DBG. That can happen if two triangles are having the same base BD and they occur between the parallel lines. If base and height of two triangles are same, or if the base and height of the two triangles are equal, then the area of those two triangles are also equal. An obvious question is, how can we get parallel lines? An obvious answer is just make sure alternate interior angle are equal. Or we want to copy angle DBC. To copy angle DBC, we draw a circular arc that just touches angle DBC with the center of compass lying at the point B. Now we locate the center of compass to the point C. Without changing the radius, we draw another circular arc with the center being C. Now adjust the radius of compass so that we can copy angle DBC and paste. Join the point C to the intersection point of the two circular arcs and extend it further so that it intersects with the line AB. Label the intersection point as the point G and join the point D with the point G with a straight line. Since the line DB is parallel to CG, area of triangle DBC must be equal to area of triangle DBG, as they stand on the same base and as they stand between the two parallel lines, their height is the same. This has an effect that area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle AGD. Once again, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle AGD.